These are the on the left side T2 weighted axial images. Patient presented with a scrotal swelling. You can see on the right testis there is a hypointense lesion here, and then there is a fluid collection. This might be a testis below, and there are multiple hypointense floaters within this collection. Same on the left side, however the floaters are less. I'm confused with what is this structure, whether this is epididymis or whether this is the same collection which is protruding out. Whatever the reason may be, if you see the diffusion weighted imaging, you see this both of this fluid package is showing restriction of diffusion here, along with this protruded packet as well, so suggestive of a pyocele or abscess. Interesting case, right? And I will show you the coronal section. Again, this hypointense lesion, I don't know what it is, maybe the abscess. Multiple floaters inside. Go down the testes here, and another testis here probably. This is the epididymis on this side. On this side epididymis I cannot really see, which is I wonder whether this is that thing. And then this is this package which is maybe this is a cellulitis, maybe this is another uh, packet outside. Looks like cellulitis more on this side. Yeah, interesting. So that's the case. um, I could show you a stir image, uh, which stating the same things, not adding anything more, I guess. So point was like how these diffusion weighted images are important to give confidence in diagnosis. Even this hyperintense lesion is having a bit of restriction, I believe. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.